Hey YouTube, I am on a service call today, working on a 2006 Cooper S R53, and the job that we're doing today is, customer complaint is that she had body work done on her vehicle and noticed that the jack pad was missing after the body work was done. As you can see up here, these vehicles have little jack points located underneath the rocker panel, and this one is missing. So I thought I'd do a quick video on how to do this job. It's a pretty easy one. So first off, this is probably one rare instance where I'm not going to use a OE part. In this case, this is a Rain automotive part purchased from FCP Euro. So here's the part number for it. Anyway, I found these to be pretty good quality, comparable to the OE, BMW jack pad or lift mount. So anyway, pretty simple install here. Let's get to it. So as I said before, pretty simple install. Here's the lift point or jack point or whatever you want to call it. This snaps into the opening on the bottom of the rocker panel, and this pin here goes right into the center hole right there. So you snap this into place, put the pin into the hole here, and tap it in there until it locks in place, and you'll need a punch and a hammer. You don't need to have the vehicle jacked up like this to get this done. I've been able to do this just with the vehicle on the ground, but for video purposes I lifted the vehicle and secured it on jack stands. Okay, so I've got the camera set up underneath the vehicle. As you can see here, there's the oval hole that the jack pad sits into. We're going to go ahead and snap it into place by hand. All right, from here, just gotta put the pin in. So we'll start it by hand here. And go ahead and tap it in. All right, once it's in, you're done. So now this vehicle's got a secondary place to put a jack. So if they decide to change their tires out or have a flat tire or need to put some winter tires on or whatever, now we have a jack point. Anyway, I hope this video was helpful, guys. If you haven't already, please subscribe and ring the bell so that you can get notifications when I come up with another video. Thank you very much and have a great day.